Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel and oh my god, I am so f***ing happy. Seriously, you're not gonna believe this. Well, you will because you saw the thumbnail and the title. But I've received more free DOLLS stuff. Oh my god. If you haven't seen my two previous DOLLS try-on hauls, DOLLS is my favorite store, like, ever. I love all their stuff so much. I think they're so different and fun and cool and So for me to get like free DOLLS stuff is a dream come true. Seriously. And this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to make this video. I didn't have to film this video. Like, their PR team just sent me some stuff. But I just get so excited that every time I receive a DOLLS package, I just have to film it. I cannot do it on my own. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this nice bag full of DOLLS stuff. I'm gonna try not to show you my address. Oh my goodness. This is probably not gonna be as long as the two previous DOLLS unboxing videos because it's a smaller package, as you can see. But I don't care. I'm gonna film it anyway, and I'm sorry if this video is only like 5 minutes long. Alright, so before we get opening, please subscribe because I post new videos 3 times a week, and give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Seriously, I know I've said that in the past 2 videos, but it's so hot in here that I'm filming in a bikini. I'm not joking, I'm actually filming in a bikini because it's so bloody hot. So please forgive me if I'm kinda naked and red. Okay, let's open this baby. They said I could pick 1 to 2 outfits, and I did, but I'm not sure if they're gonna send me 1 or 2. I hope 2, but I'll be happy anyway. Ooh, I really love their bags. Like, I love the design. It's so cool. Like, these wings here, and there's a yin and yang lollipop, and some aliens. It's just so cool. Ooh, I see something green. I see something green. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yes, I think they sent me more than 1 outfit. I'm so excited now. Okay, let's get the green one out first. Oh my god! Oh my god! Is this what I think it is? Yes, I really think so. Oh my god, oh my god. If this is what I think it is, I have been seeing this outfit on Instagram in so many different colors, and I've been wanting it so bad for so long. Seriously, this is like my dream outfit. I love it. If it's what I think it is, but there aren't many green furry outfits out there. Oh my god! Ah! Wait, wait, wait. You're gonna be as excited as I am in 1 second. Oh my god. Can you see it properly in this light? Oh my god. It's a pastel green furry skirt. It feels so soft. Seriously, it's gonna feel like I'm wearing a teddy bear. Oh my god. And like this belt part on top, this see-through PVC, and it has these rhinestones. Oh, and I'm getting so hot though hugging this. Furry outfit for the summer. I'm so warm, but who cares? I'm beautiful. And it's a set. It's not just the skirt, it's the top. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I really hope it fits me. Oh my god. Look at her fake vegan eco-friendly fur. It has kind of like a choker attached to it, and it's also like a see-through PVC to match the skirt, and it's like backless, and it has this PVC thing at the back as well to close. Oh my god, this is too good to be true. Seriously, I am so grateful. Seriously, I have so many amazing things happening to me, and that's all thanks to you, my subscribers, like the people that support me and watch all of my videos and comment and are always there for me. It's all thanks to you that things like this happen to me. I know it might seem not like a big deal to some people because it's just free clothes. But it's literally like my favorite brand, and they're sending me things because they believe in my work, so I just feel so blessed. And look at this outfit. Oh, I'm dying. Let's see what else is in here, in this magic bag of amazingness. Oh my god. I can see there are 2 more things in there. Oh my god, thank you so much, DOLLS, you're awesome. Dun, 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 dun. I see something yellow. Can you believe I chose something bright yellow? What's happening to me? I used to just wear black and pink. But I'm kind of like opening up to colors. I can't believe I said that. But I think it's because I'm finally finding a way to wear colorful things and still be like cohesive with my aesthetic. Ew. So I'm having fun like wearing more colorful stuff. By the way, look at my new earrings. Ooh, they are by Irregular Choice. Oh, that is another brand that I love so much. I'm sorry, I'm swearing so much today. So rude. Oh. But I'm just so happy I can't help it. So let's open this yellow package. I literally don't have anything else yellow, I don't think. Said the girl with the yellow clothes in the background. That's rainbow, it doesn't count, right? Oh my god, are you seeing what I'm seeing? I don't know if you can see like the fabric in all its glory with these lights, but it's like a very nice shiny PVC. You will see me wearing it in a second and then you'll get the full effect, but listen to this, ASMR people. Doesn't that sound great? It's stuck together, but in a very pleasant way. Wow. Wow. Wow! Look at this part! I love it! Honestly, I cannot believe I was brave enough to choose like bright yellow PVC leggings, but I'm so glad I did because they are beautiful. I love how it has lace here at the front. And the lace is PVC as well. And then this zipper at the back. Oh my god. So beautiful. And I got it to match my yellow shoes. Do you remember my yellow shoes? Let me show you. Oh, beautiful. And I'm so happy they're like the right shade. That's gonna be so cool. I'm gonna look like a bright sunshine walking around in London with my PVC leggings and... Oh. Imagine if I dyed my hair yellow as well and I had a yellow top on and I was just like monochromatic, all yellow, walking around. Huh? Okay, next item. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh. And this is the top to go with the yellow leggings. Look at this. Look at this. It's obviously PVC as well, and it kind of looks like a road sign. And it has this exclamation mark and the yellow PVC and the black PVC, and then it's like this at the back. Oh my god, it's so sexy and cool. By the way, this is by Current Mood, because you know how DOLLS has like different brands that sell on their website. This one, I'm not sure, it doesn't say, maybe it's the actual like DOLLS brand itself. And this furry one is Club X, that is probably my favorite. I don't want to say that because I love them all so much, but lately I've been really like crazy for the Club X stuff. Anyway, going back to the amazing top, isn't it just amazing? Oh! I'm gonna go to a festival soon and I'm gonna wear these, all of these. Oh my god, it's gonna be great. This is gonna be the outfit, right? Yellow leggings, yellow top, and yellow shoes. Oh my god. It would be cool with black shoes as well, right? Because there's a bit of black on the top. I'm not sure now. Maybe I could wear one black and one yellow. That would be so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely doing that. Yay! I've never been so happy. Well, I have. I'm not that vain. But... I am feeling blessed and so lucky and like a real YouTuber. Oh, thank you so much to my subscribers. Thank you so much to Dolls Q. So that's gonna be it for today. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite brand ever. Please go follow me on Instagram for more amazing pictures of these lovely outfits. Thank you so much for watching and have a very, very lovely day. Mwah!